evening. Just finished my work po together with my co-worker. See, pagkatapos po ng work, so cellphone po kaagad yung hinawakan. So, may one tip po ako to look young. Not forever young, to look young po. So, the doctor says, you must sleep 8 hours a day. Correction po. 8 hours a day, but it has specific time. Hindi po ibig sabihin na kapag sinabi ng doktor 8 hours, is you will sleep just like if you have work 1 a.m. in the morning until you will sleep 1 a.m. in the morning, then you will wake up 8 a.m. in the morning. Yan na po. Hindi po. The correct time of sleeping is 10 p.m. in the evening to 6 o'clock in the morning. Because 10 a.m. in the evening to 4 a.m. in the morning, so it will be 6 hours, right? Our cells reproduce new cells. Kaya po, just like yung bagong cells, nag-reproduce po yan ng bago para po little bit young, di ba? Yung 2 hours po na 5 and 6 a.m. So, rest po yan ng ating body. So, yan po yung nagre-relax yung mga body natin. So, always remember po, yung correct time sa pagtulog is 10 p.m. in the evening to 6 a.m. in the morning. Tandaan po yan. Hindi po correct yung 1 a.m. ka natulog, 8 a.m. ka na gumising. Hindi po yan correct. Hindi po yan tutugma. Kasi 10 to 4 is yan po yung nagre-reproduce ng bagong cells yung ating katawan. So, sana po makatulong. Thank you so much for listening my video. Thank you and God bless us all.